The benefits of an apprenticeship at Whitbread is that it's about opportunity. So it's an opportunity to gain qualifications whilst working that an individual may not have got at school or through education.
I believe the benefits of an apprenticeship are absolutely invaluable. They set us up well in terms of the legality and the rights and responsibilities that we have as hospitality managers.
I think the work we've done with Kayla demonstrates the success of our apprenticeships. Kayla came in at a certain level and has completed level 2, 3 and now 4 apprenticeship and has got promotions on the back of that. And that for us is a massive success story. Anybody can join us regardless of age and background, and we'll have an apprenticeship for them.
The support that I've received throughout my apprenticeships, both from Premier Inn and the wider Whitbread Group, have been absolutely phenomenal and have been paramount to my success.
To be recognised at these prestigious awards means absolutely everything to me and also to our apprentices in Wales.
We really believe in the apprenticeship programme here, and with over 400 people having joined the programme since 2020, we're thrilled that most of those people have stayed with us in full-time employment.
We're really proud of the work we're doing with train driver apprenticeships, offering opportunities for people of all ages, making a real difference to their lives.
We're really proud to support and develop young people to kickstart their careers with us.
We're absolutely thrilled that Cymru were finalists for this award. We are so proud of our apprenticeship schemes here, which are not just for young people, but our vocational apprenticeships in train driving and engineering, which fully support our ambitions for the Future Generations Act.
I think the apprenticeship programme is amazing and it's opened up so many doors for me.
We really do fully support our apprentices through the programme, and it is about ongoing mentoring, development and support throughout their programme and on into their careers.
The PHS group stands for Personal Hygiene Solutions, and we're the leading hygiene service provider in the UK, Spain and Ireland. We have about 130 people across the business doing apprenticeships at the moment. The roles of those on apprenticeships are completely varied. We've got people doing business admin, customer service, management, even electricians.
My apprenticeship has been great because not only did I gain a qualification out of it, it gave me a wide range of extra experience and extra knowledge in my particular role.
I think apprenticeships are great because it gives our colleagues within PHS the opportunity to get an accredited qualification and earn whilst they're learning. One of the initiatives that I'm really proud of is our internship programme for young people with learning disabilities and autism spectrum conditions, and apprenticeships are a great route for them to progress onto. I really enjoy my job role because I'm helping people develop their skills and progress within the business, and to be nominated for an award is great to get that external recognition.